Hi, I'm Amber Brewer. Welcome to 119 Averitt Street. With a welcoming front entryway, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is just over 1,300 square feet and is located on a charming street where houses rarely come available. The same owners lovingly maintained this property since 1976, and it's recently undergone a number of updates inside and out. The casual flow of the floor plan is effortless and invites you to enjoy the tranquil backyard from multiple rooms. Out here, you'll find a detached 2-car garage in addition to a 264 square foot workshop where the cabinetry throughout the home was handmade. The workshop can be used as a flexible space and has potential for an office, game room, or art studio. Being on the north end of the west side not only means that you're close to UCSC, the trails at Pogonip and Wilder Ranch, you're also a short walk or bike ride to Westcliff Drive. You can walk out your front door and within minutes be at some of the best coffee shops, restaurants, bakeries, wineries, and breweries in town. You are also moments away from escaping civilization up the scenic Highway 1 coastline. Best of all, you get to call this incredible property home. Give me a call today for a private showing.